Hey guys, alright, OMG Queen is having a huge Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. You can get up to 35 to 40% off during this sale. Make sure you check the links down below for more info. Hey guys, alright, so this week comes from OMG Queen. I have reviewed for this company before. These are the little items that come in the box. Also, the gift that I received is like a wig stand. The wig does come packaged really nicely. As you guys could see, it comes in the bag and also with the net around it. This is what it looks like fresh out of the pack. It does have combs inside, your adjustable strap, and also an adjustable cap. Alright, and as you can see, what kind of adjustable strap it is, you could kind of pull it, make it tight or as loose as you would like. So I am trying to kind of get a feel for this wig. Later on in the video I do kind of realize that it's more so of a middle part, but that's like the way it was cut, because at first I thought it was uneven, but you're really supposed to kind of wear it in the middle part, which the styling is versatile, so if you would want to wear it on the side you could, but the way that it came fresh out of the box is kind of meant for the middle. But anywho, you guys can see as I'm parting it everywhere, is super natural and very versatile. This is fresh out of the box. I have not done any bleaching or dyeing to this wig. All right, so I do like that the color goes along with my skin tone as far as like them already bleaching it, and as you can see there's little bitty like sparse hairs, which those are like little baby hairs. So now I'm just kind of going in and styling it. I'm not going to be doing a lot of styling because I like to show you guys the ease of these wigs, because a lot of people do not know how to do all of the super complicated like styling. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm pretty much done. I'm just using my wax stick and my flat my comb, my hot comb, to tame those flyaways, and that was it. Quick and easy. Stay tuned for the full in-depth review. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you guys have already seen me pretty much style this wig, so I didn't do a whole lot to it because I want you guys to see the ease of styling. I did not have to do a lot. Straight out of the box, it was very user and beginner friendly. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. I did do a lot of close-ups, but let me show you guys. It looks super natural. So the wig does come with bleach knots. It comes with combs inside the unit. It also comes with an adjustable cap and an elastic band. Everything for you to wear it glueless. I have absolutely no glue, no gel on this unit at all. Okay, as you guys can see, this is like an everyday wig. It's very easy, very simple, especially for my ladies. If you want to wear like protective styles, you're tired of putting heat on your hair, it is cold outside, or where I am it's cold outside, and that just means that your hair is going to be more and more dry. So if you want to just kind of put your hair up and just, you know, have something quick and easy, I would definitely say that this is the wig for you. All right, so let's go over some of the specs, and I do have things written down because I can never remember anything. Also, all the specs will of course be down in the description box as they always are. Okay guys, so firstly, I do have a discount code for this wig. Please check the description box as well. This wig is 12 inches long. It is 100% density. Okay, this is a glueless cap, of course, because I am wearing it glueless, and the lace color is light brown. All right, which goes with my skin tone perfectly, if I should add. So the front is bleached, like I told you guys, and this is a frontal cap. Okay, so the whole front is bleached. You don't have to worry about bleaching, you don't have to worry about sewing an elastic band in or anything like that. So the hair color is chestnut brown, and I do have a medium cap. I absolutely love the way this cap fits. You guys know a lot of caps from different companies do not fit me, but the cap from this company definitely does fit me. This color, I am really feeling it. I love the dark to light ratio because it makes everything look a lot more natural instead of me just having like straight blonde hair. I just feel like this really goes with my skin tone. It just looks, it looks good, and then it has like that Yaky I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it has like that Yaky texture and Yaky feel to it that a lot of us like and a lot of people love. I mean, like a lot of you guys love this Yaky texture. Now, if I were to flat iron my hair or blow my hair out, my hair would look exactly like this. I just think it's super cute and super, super natural. And also, I did get this gift with the wig. It is a wig holder. I have had these things before, okay? So it is like a little wig shelf, wig holder. All right, I like to put hats on it. I don't too much do wigs on it. And yeah, this wig does come from OMGqueen. All right, and this is the packaging. All right, so I think that's pretty much it, guys. I don't want to make this super, super long. I just wanted to show you guys the wig, show you guys how versatile it is, and also how easy it is to style. There's nothing, absolutely nothing hard about styling this wig, okay? So I did get the wig fast. Before I wrap up the video, the shipping was fast, and also the customer service is really nice. I have reviewed for this company before. I've never had any problems. So yeah, take that for what it is. Like I said, I will leave all the specs and the links down below so you guys can check them out. The wigs are pretty affordable and they are good quality. If you guys are looking for a nice affordable wig, I would suggest this site. All right, the holidays are coming up and we all need our hair done for when we go over our in-laws houses. Okay, so check them out and let me know what you guys think. Jesus Christ, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, y'all.